everyone, and welcome again to my YouTube channel. And you're here with Mr. T Farming Simple. Now today we'll be planting sorrel. We'll be growing sorrel from seed to plant. And guess what? Today I'll be using my FS 220 still walker to prepare my land to plant my sorrel. Okay, I'm actually standing now in an old sorrel field of mine that I planted. These sorrels were planted approximately probably 7 months ago, because after planting and it is been ready to be harvested within like 3 months or so. After that, you can be harvesting sorrel like every week. So I've been harvesting sorrel like approximately 2 months, 2 consecutive months, and these are they are getting very old. So I'll be planting a new crop of sorrel. And please be reminded, you have to use your protective equipment, especially your goggles, your glass. You have to wear your protective equipment to protect your face against splinting stones and sticks. And please remember to like, subscribe, and share this video so you'll be able to receive all Mr. T Farming Simple new videos. That's when you hit that notification bell. And also remember that Mr. T Farming Simple, we also do landscaping. So for all your landscaping needs, you can contact us, and you can also use that number on the screen. That is 876, right here in Jamaica, 821-6865. We'll be showing you how to prepare your holes to plant your sorrel seed. And you can just use any form of digging tool, especially a hoe or a mattock or something, and you can just dig them. Especially you would want to space them a bit, like 2 feet or so apart, so that when it starts to grow and spread and putting on different branches, they won't affect each other. And you would want to do this especially in a row. Make it neat as possible. Okay, and now we have our sorrel seeds ready to be planted. Now, as you can see, I have a lot here, but I won't be using all of this today because this is a lot. I have enough sorrel seed can plant up to 10 acres of land. So what I did last year, I planted some seeds, and I had approximately 1 acre of land planted with sorrel. And what I did, I went through and I harvested some seeds and stored them, so I can always have sorrel seeds for my replanting process. Now I just take out a few out of that, and today we'll be planting these. Now you don't want, because the sorrel seeds are so small, sometimes you have a tendency to be taking up too much, and whenever you overflood the planting or the holes, sometimes it robs the nutrient in the soil from each plant, so they don't come as healthy as you you would have wanted them. So you do not want to exceed your limit. So your limit should be at least well, the most 5. So you take 5 and you drop it into the hole and you cover it up with some soil. Take 5, drop it in the hole, cover it up with some soil. And you can do that for the rest of holes that you have prepared. And please also remember that you don't have to water these. Once you have planted these, you don't have to look back at these until 3 months later. You don't have to use any chemical on it to spray them or anything, or add chemical fertilizer or inorganic fertilizer. Just wait and see 3 months later. Okay, here am I now in this sorrel field, and this is what your sorrel field should look like 3 months later. And I'm here sitting down in my sorrel field. I've reaped, and now I am going to reap some, and you can also do the same and consume your sorrel regularly.